This is Shahriar Hussain. I am a senior technical advisor and policy advisor of Environment and Social Development Organization based in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a small country with largest population, and Dhaka is the center of the country where more than 20 million people live. Safe water is essential for all living creature. But Dhaka is one of the most polluted cities in the world. We are working towards toxic-free future, which motivate us to identify the source and cause of PFAS pollution. Bangladesh is a major hub of textile production. Over 4,000 textile industries in this small nation. There is a high concern chances of the water contamination with PFAS in our country. Notably, 50% of the PFAS source are derived from the textile industry. We would like to address PFAS in the textile industry. They are a health concern because they persist in the environment and accumulated in human body over time. Studies have linked PFAS exposure to a range of adverse health effects, including cancer, liver damage, thyroid disease, decreased fertility, and developed issue of the children. There are safer alternatives available. In the textile industry, alternatives of PFAS are being explored. Silicon-based repellents, which is offer water resistance without harmful effect. So there are alternatives available in the market. A team of researchers from ESDO and IPEN conducted this comprehensive study involving the collection of 31 surface water samples from lake and rivers near textile manufacturing facilities in Bangladesh. We found that PFAS were in 27 out of 31 surface water samples. In 18 samples, PFAS are listed for global elimination under the Stockholm Convention were detected. In 19 samples, PFAS were detected above proposed EU regulatory limit for surface water. Additionally, 4 tapware water samples and clothing samples from local retailers were tested for PFAS content. Several samples were found with very high PFAS level. One sample contained PFAS at more than 310 times above of proposed EU regulatory limit. The surface water near textile industry were found content of high concentration of PFAS than other location. For instance, the Ashulia Lake is around the textile facilities, the large textile facilities in Bangladesh, and the detection level is very high. It is essential for the policymakers and industry leaders to work together using a comprehensive approach. We believe policymakers should establish stringent regulatory provision. They should encourage innovation through grants and subsidies, especially in developing countries like Bangladesh. We believe that this study will facilitate and transition to a PFAS-free textile industry. We want to create the mass awareness campaign so that consumers and the community are around the textile facilities know the situation, and they can come forward with raise their voice to protect their health as well as environment. The PFAS contamination, it is not the issue only for Bangladesh, it is a global issue. So this issue should be addressed globally, and we need to create international awareness. We need to create international policy intervention. It is not only the responsibility of the Bangladesh, it is the responsibility of the recipient country, the developed country. Those are the buyer of the textile clothings. So both should come forward and find a positive solution. We are not against the industry.